Time is always ticking, and it's precious. And your process for getting your contract signed has major limitations. First, you have to jump from your drafting platform to a completely separate tool to collect signatures, and you have to make sure you move the right document version between the right apps every time. This makes your process harder and slower than it needs to be. And then, once initiated, your contracts enter a black hole with little insight into what actions have been taken so far. So you never know where your contract is in the signing process.
Hello?
Or how to address any issues that may be standing between you and a closed deal.
No idea what's going on here, but that contract we've been talking about, is it signed yet?
But none of this is a problem when you use LinkSquares Sign. We got you covered. LinkSquares Sign is seamless and efficient, allowing you to get your contract ready to send in seconds. And you'll have insight into every stage of the signing process. Just enter the name and emails of all signers. You can even add non-signers to provide visibility and determine the specific signing order. Then, just drag and drop the signature boxes and hit send. You'll then be able to follow the signers every step of the way. You'll see when they open the contract, when they sign it, and when it's fully executed.
Well, this is better.
This intuitive process eliminates hassle and risks, so you can focus on accelerating your deal. And don't worry, we have your back. Sign is secure and enforceable with eSign, UETA, eIDAS compliance, and a comprehensive log of every action. Of course, you'll also have immediate access to LinkSquare's top-tier customer support team. So what the heck are you waiting for? Sign up for a demo today and see how you can save yourself a whole lot of time and headaches by using LinkSquares Sign.